If you're experiencing high ping while playing Minecraft, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. Programs like streaming services, downloads, or other online games can consume your internet resources and increase your ping. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency compared to wireless connections, which can help reduce ping. Step 4. Change server location. When playing Minecraft, choose a server that is geographically closer to your location. This can help decrease the distance your data has to travel, resulting in lower ping times. Step 5. Adjust game settings. Lower your Minecraft graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and may indirectly affect your ping by allowing your device to process data more efficiently. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Minecraft. Enjoy your gaming experience.